Here we have a storage unit.
This unit here.
This unit. How many times have we started off something with this unit here? This unit
There's not
here.
really this unit here because I don't know.
This unit here is. We opened up this box here and this box here. For the most part, every box was sealed in here. We paid $1,000 for this unit. Alex lost $2 on this box right here because he bet me it was a picture, and he doubted me, and it was a flat screen television. And yeah, basically this unit was real nice and clean. Everything looked tip-top, well taken care of. Office chairs or desk chairs or dining chairs were great. Bike's a little cheap, but still clean. Everything was just all around clean. One of the things that intrigued me was the Nike bag box. It means they bought decent stuff. You see up here, there's the Safflon kitchen essentials dishes, and that in itself was it's a decent dishes.
Nice right
So
here.
Alex, you want to give a quick little what you thought about this unit when you wanted to buy it?
I liked it because spider webs are unbothered. The dust was unbothered, and it was taped up. That's all. I liked it. Like
that's it. Nothing else.
You got to run
you.
with that.
You wanted to go all
I wanted
in.
to see what was in that purse right there. I mean that box, because it looked like maybe some purses or something. And then when you pack stuff like this, you're a clean person.
Clean people. We like clean people. No slobs.
None.
Hashtag no slobs.
None.
Scott noticed that thing yesterday.
What?
The kitchen thing up there.
Yeah.
Good
and
too.
we're gonna go with the first box here. First box. We're gonna unbox.
Folded clothes.
Folded clothes.
A lot of people don't do that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Unless you are
folded
clean.
clothes.
Jeans.
And
I
they're
don't fold
clean.
mine. I wash mine. I put them in a basket, leave it at the end of the bed, and then I just go on to the next. Well, that's all you're gonna give
You're
us?
ringing, Alex.
You want more?
Well, I mean, is there anything on the bottom?
Just more clothes.
People love seeing it. They say we don't pull out enough stuff.
All right, well, let's see. How about I just reach down, pull out a handful?
Pull out. Are
More
those
folded
trues?
clothes. No,
Don't unfold a bunch of clothes, though.
just a bunch of clothes. Let's go on the bottom and grab whatever this is.
Oh, look at that. A robe.
Oh,
This is a robe.
Steph Curry.
whatever this is. Some sweats. Jordan.
Clean.
Jordans.
All
I
clean,
think your
though.
daughter would wear those, no?
No, she's too.
Why? Because they're boys?
No, she's too big.
Oh, all
This
right.
won't fit my little daughter. Won't fit my bonus daughter. I think we went this folks. Beats by Dre.
Beats by Dre.
Is it by Dre or is it just Beats?
Oh, those are Beats by Dre. Was there a difference?
How many boxes you gotta put them in?
6?
$300
$300 head. Woo! Oxygen.
Oxygen.
It's
Priceless.
an oxygen box.
Priceless oxygen. All right. Let's put that back in. They probably still get 5 for the box.
5 for the box.
Oh, it's
Wii.
not in there.
I need a Wii
Too
U.
light. Empty. This is supposed to be the kids box. Pokemon?
No.
No. Oh, this must be the kids.
Damn. 4K at 30 frame rates per second eats up the memory fast. I don't know how long I'm going to do that.
There goes the Wii right here. Wii. A couple games.
Wii! There's $30.
The whole
30
set.
bucks.
It's a black one too. They're a little more sought after.
PS3 games. Oh, that's Blu-ray.
PSP.
PSP in the hizzle.
Cool box.
Box.
Call it a $40 box.
$40.
It's a little old stocking stuffer. Oh, it ain't that. Oh, no. It's pretty cool. It's not that old. What kind is it? It's old, but not too old.
Oh, but not. It's like Uncle Michael.
Yeah, let's call that a. We call that a $50 bill. There goes the tag right here. Let's see what it is. 50-inch Samsung Smart 1080p.
1080p.
It's a $100 TV.
$100 TV.
Smart. They got YouTube and Netflix and. There's a lot of personal paperwork.
Hashtag don't take it personal.
Don't take it personal. Wait. Oh, yeah. It's all personal. Those are nice.
Where are they?
Exercise pants.
Yeah, but whose size are they? What are they? What brand are they?
They're
What are they made of?
made of polyester in the Philippines.
Cotton blend.
Call that a wrap. It's loaded.
Ooh, come on, jewelry. Trues. No.
Boot cut.
Lucky brand.
That's money.
The next one. Lucky brand's a good brand.
Yeah, they are. okay.
They're okay.
They're all right.
Some Lucky Brands.
Lucky Brand.
Lucky Brand, that was their brand.
Nice jeans.
Nice jeans.
Nice jeans.
Nice,
One
nice jeans.
right here. Want to come take a peek in the corner of this?
I don't.
Just to show the people?
Show the people.
Show the people.
Hashtag show the people.
It's just stuff, clothes.
Stizza.
Well, that's a nice. You know, this is the same color I wore at my wedding. Fragile.
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 Fragile, like Uncle Michael's ego.
Fragile. 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 What's fragile in here?
That's not fragile.
That's not. That's not fragile. That's not fragile.
It is.
They're just.
It's like their crafting box for putting photos up of their
Crafting
family.
box. I like this unit. So I
What
like
is
it.
about $20 box?
Let's see.
Hashtag 15.
4, 6, 8, 10. About $20.
$20.
Oh.
Well, the rats didn't
What
get
was
you
it, Mike?
yet.
Uncle Michael, we don't cuss.
What was it, Mike? What do we call it the other day?
What?
Taking these dibs. Locker food challenge.
Oh, you would? Which
Everybody
one?
liked that. Locker food challenge.
food
Uncle
challenge,
Mike,
isn't
you pick one, I pick one. We eat whatever we grab out.
Oh no.
Come on, let's do it.
I
Locker
ain't.
food challenge.
Oh no.
Oh no, he says, Uncle
It's
Michael.
brand new.
We thought you was
What would
manly.
you do for $20?
I ain't
We thought you was manly.
I was
Hashtag
just
Uncle Michael ain't manly.
I was just looking for the date on this stuff. 2017. No. Where's that salad, Alex? What are you gonna bring?
Hashtag Uncle Michael ain't man. Alex, how was that? Oh.
Oh wait, look, I'm on a diet. I should have ate a rice cake.
At least the right.
M-I-C, see you later. K-E-Y. Why? Because we love you. M-O-U-S-E.
What's that, a PlayStation 2?
Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck.
Yeah, PlayStation 2.
PlayStation 2, there's $20. This looks like a $37 box. No, $34 box. Now it's a $32 box.
Dibs.
Dibs. Stuff.
If you don't eat a fruit out of a box, you don't get it. It's new rule.
New rule.
Yep. New rule. Either play by the rules. Oh yeah, look at that. You just go like that and you just boom and hit the button.
All right, we ain't had these in a while.
Coat hangers.
Coat hangers, baby.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it just went right to the box. I like this thing.
Believe it or not, that's about a $5 box.
$5 box.
Is this one pot, two pots, or all the pots?
One pot, two pot, redfish, bluefish. It's a pot. A pot in a box. It is illegal to sell pot without a card.
Oh, that wall.
I could have told you that. I looked up there. But I didn't want the energy to go down, so I just let it ride.
Dictionary.
Pictionary. We lost Uncle Michael already. What do we have here? We've got cables. We've got a whole bunch of nonsense. Ooh, look at this. Ninja Turtles. The movie. No, it's not the movie.
It's the DS right here.
This is a DS. It was a D. It's a DS, and they're $20.
Oh, it's no more than $20, sir.
Ooh, look at this watch.
This is probably a $60 bag.
Okay, we got a
a
$60
nice one.
DS, and it's a nice watch. I kind of like that. I wish it wasn't all skanked up.
It's a nice DS. We can't lose that.
Okay, don't lose that. Hashtag don't lose that. We hashtag everything.
Steering wheel.
Red box. Somebody spent $75 on a movie. Big Hero. And toys.
Seashells.
Look at that. I think those belong
Clams.
to Sally. And Sally did sell them seashells at the seashore. Look at this. No, it's not Disney enough for me.
It's a.
Look at that chair right there. That's a beauty. Think that's their office chair or their dining chair? Comment below what you think it's gonna be. If it's gonna be an office chair or dining chair. I'll give you a hint. There is a second one so far. So that's why I speculate that. Look at that. It's a bike. A Roadmaster. Graphite Peak. They got the white walls on the back with the gangster white walls and the front traction tire in the front.
Yeah.
Here we have CDs. So it says. And they have a not so hot CD collection. Ooh, Brett's. Brett's. It's not silver, sir.
Almost so.
One Woman.
Movies.
Finding Nemo. Soul Food. That was a good one. The Secret. Oh, Gibbs. We don't sell secrets. We give these out to people who want to learn how to manifest and that thoughts become things. Greatest movie I've ever watched right here.
Moving picture frame.
The Secret.
Yeah.
Sir, this is more important. This is invaluable.
But this is valuable. This shows your family.
It's $5.
This shows your family.
This could make billions if used properly. That is still only $5.
What is that?
This is the secret.
Of what?
The laws of attraction. Everything
secret
that I
has
ever
traveled
speak
throughout
of. This is where I
centuries
all started
To
right
reach
here.
you, the secret.
You and your wife got like 2.5 hours of extra
It's a
time.
movie, sir.
No. Ooh.
Buy any movie you want. Target bag.
Real nice. Got a Target.
Milky. Size, you, Uncle Mike? Is that your size?
No.
Maybe your son's?
Kids, yeah.
Yeah, your
Those
son.
are
Yeah.
boys. Those are boys. My son's almost a man.
These don't
good
fit
as
him. They're
crap.
large.
I could promise you those don't fit my son. It's large in boys. Figure it out. Mitchum, clinical. That hair stuff, Uncle Michael needs that.
I think it'd fit him. Whatever.
Take one down. Look at
No?
No.
Are we still in this same bag? Box? No, this one doesn't have
No,
shoes.
dibs on this.
You know, I was really starting to feel like this was going to be a pretty decent little
I
unit.
was so excited. I'm still excited.
I'm excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it.
So excited.
Hold on a second.
Man, we're doing
Hold on a second.
pretty
Do it
good,
again.
huh?
Do it again.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby.
Practicing, eh? He needs that because he's full of poop. He called dibs on that, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let's see what kind of shoes you got. Come on, Nike Jordans. I'm 3 pairs short of what I said we're gonna get out of this. I said 4 pairs.
I'm harmless. Mike, put that on.
Whoa, Red Bull, mother.
Well, put the shit somewhere right on the fucking table. Take it over there.
No.
He sound like a dog, huh? Detroit?
Yeah.
That whole little box right there didn't even have the camera going. Welcome, everybody, to the Storage Auction Pirate and Storage Stalker reveal video. Please wipe your feet on the way in.
Please.
Please.
It's nice. Black and Decker.
Black and Decker.
Whoa. Pencils. More good pencils too.
No good pencils.
I think those are good pencils.
So,
Elmer's Blue, not a bad box. Ooh, lollipops.
Locker Food Challenge, Uncle Mike.
What?
Fortune cookies.
Let's go, guys.
I'll do a fortune cookie with you.
We're not gonna eat it, are we?
I'm
Still
gonna eat
airing
one.
it? Oh, yeah, they're still
I already
airing
know
it.
what's in mine.
What?
Just remember, they don't come true if you don't eat them.
I ain't eating it.
Look at they got air in them, right? They're still good.
Yeah.
I know what's in mine already. That wasn't good.
What's yours say?
It didn't have one.
It didn't have one.
Oh, yeah.
It didn't have one, huh?
No.
Holy shish kebab.
That's a bad sign, Uncle Mike.
Get
Yeah,
that on
I'm
camera,
stopping.
and it's straight from Panda Express.
I'm stopping with that.
You wanna try that?
No.
What'd yours say?
I know what
Mine
his says.
said-
I know what his says already. I'm looking at it.
From a past misfortune, good luck will come to you.
Meaning the last unit you bought, and now we're going to do good in this unit?
Wash it down with a little bit of locker milk.
A little bit of locker milk? That's a...
That's a freaking stomach ache.
Hashtag Locker Food
I thought
Challenge.
Mine was gonna have a lot of numbers in it.
A little stale.
Hella
Be
nasty.
daring. Try something new. Whew. All right. I got you, world.
Where'd the knife go again, Mike? What happened? You didn't
Like
like
the same
it?
place that Starbucks is. Or that other thing.
The Red Bull?
Yeah. When you got it, just put it in the box.
What do we got here? Dishes. Home essential. Cheap.
Microwave box.
Cheap. What day did they pack this stuff? No date on that. (2016) July 31st.
Man, they're out here sweating.
There is no way to tell which way this unit's going,
Hanging out.
or if the boxes will be gold or flowing. Is it raining? Is it pouring?
You know what this goes back to? To when you
Man was
said,
created.
no, you said, if there was an apocalypse, the best place to go is a storage facility.
Oh, if I owned a storage facility, that'd be a great idea. Because if apocalypse ever happened, everything you need's in there. No one could get in. You lock it up. You barricade it. You got years of supplies. You go through everybody's unit. You take out their out their food, their water, their clothing, their guns,
Alex,
their
you're gonna
ammo.
find a knife. Here, I'm gonna let you use that.
If y'all have a lot of money, buy a storage facility and just let everybody rent it. And if the apocalypse ever happens, you're already set. You go through, you'll find tons of gold. You'll be one of the richest people in the world because you got gold. I'm telling you. We should write a book. How to prepare for the apocalypse. Buy a storage facility. Ooh, it's crystal. For once, it's not crystal meth.